What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to set the height for the RSM3 stands. So now that both stands are set up, we can take our speakers and place them right on top like this. Now what makes these stands really special is the pinless auto locking mechanisms that we can use to set the height of the stands, and the air assist that we can use to lower the stands. So if you ever want to adjust the height, you're gonna look for this knob here in the middle of the pole, and you're gonna loosen it up. Then you can grab the top of the stand and lift up like this to set it to the desired height. And then you can just tighten the knob back up to lock it in place. And here's the really cool part, if you ever want to lower the height of the stand, again, you're gonna loosen the knob here, and then you're gonna use this button here right above for the air assist lowering mechanic. So once we press the button down, you'll see it come down. If the stands are really high up, you're just gonna hold this button down until it reaches the desired height. And once it's set to the desired height, you're gonna tighten the knob to lock it in place. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set the height for the RSM3 stands. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.